Hello everyone, my name is Deshan Bandara and I will talk about the task 6 for my web programming tutorial, the design and implementation of a dynamic responsive e-commerce homepage for eShop. My creative vision centered on building a site that is not just functional but user-centric. A great e-commerce experience is built on the three pillars: clarity, responsiveness, and speed. This homepage achieves that by using Bootstrap 5 for a mobile-first design and PHP includes for the structural efficiency. I will show the responsiveness of this homepage. This is a mobile version and this is a middle type screen of likely tab, and this one is a laptop large screen like laptops. This design you see here is clean and familiar. At top here At the top, a clear utility header uses a specific action like sign in, sign out, and support. Below that, the search bar, the heartbeat of any e-commerce site. Site is prominently placed for instant product discovery, and finally, the main body feature dynamic content like the product carousel and featured listening. Let's look at the key design features starting with the top section. The utility header is small but mighty. It's handles essential user context, displaying a high username greeting or prompting a sign in and providing quick access to my eShop and the cart icon. Uh, the central feature is the search bar. It is a combined component, a text input for the query and a drop-down selector for filtering by category like mobile phones or laptops. This immediately narrows the search scope, improving user efficiency. The prominent blue search button and the advanced link provide pathway for both quick browsing and detailed searching. Next, the main content area kick off with the product carousel. That means point to the large banner. This dynamic elements use Bootstrap built-in functionality to showcase marketing banners and key value propositions such as "Welcome to eShop" and "Lowest delivery cost." On smaller screen, the carousel gracefully adapts to fit, preventing the call and to action. Finally, we introduce featured products. Here we see a category, mobile phones, with a clear "See All" link. Each product is displayed in a neat cart component, which is the perfect container for e-commerce items. This cart clearly shows the product name, price, availability status, and essential action button. Buy now, add to cart, and add to wishlist. That icon, the heart icon. This is the core transactional design that converts browsing into sale. Now let's explore the code that makes this architecture efficient. I have separated the top bar into the header.php. This is an example of the dry. It means don't repeat yourself. That dry principle ensuring consistency and making site-wide changes simple. The most critical code in header.php is the PHP session logic. The session starts The session start function at the beginning is non-negotiable. It initiates or resumes the user's session. The subsequent if statement checks for the session variable $session u. If the user is logged in, it dynamically prints their first name using PHP echo $data fname and show the sign out link. That's one. If they are not logged in, it display in sign in or register link instead. This is how the single header file intelligently changes its content based on the user's authentication status. This line shows to the home page, help and contact item. This file also defines the My eShop drop-down. This use Bootstrap drop-down class to create a quick nested navigation menu providing login users instant access to key pages like My Profile, Watch List, and Purchase history is one clean element. Finally, it contains the full code structure for the contact admin model. This is a hidden pop-up chat interface ready with sample sent and received messages. By including this model's HTML in the header, it's immediately available to the user on every page for immediate support, improving the customer retention. And now I go to the home.php file. The home.php file is the master layout. It ties everything together. It contains the main HTML structure and the presentation logic for the home page. It is essentially a blueprint for the user interface. First, the header section is standard but vital. Here we link to our styling asset bootstrap.css for framework, bootstrap icon.css for high quality vector icon like the heart and card, and style.css for our custom overrides and styling. This is modular approach keeps styling organized. The main structure is wrapped in Bootstrap grid system, div class, container fluid, and div class row. This ensures our entire layout is fully responsive. At the top of the body, we immediately pull in our reusable header. That line. This is where the magic of modular designing happens. Everything we just discussed in header.php is injected here. Moving to the main body, we structure the search component using Bootstrap column system. For a large screen, we use an offset to center the content, giving the search bar majority of the screen space for prominence. We begin in home.php with the container for our main site navigation and search area. Every line use Bootstrap grid system for responsiveness. These lines establish the row for our primary navigation. Hold12 ensure this section spans the full width and justify content center helps centralize content horizontally. This line where the eShop logo site notice the classes called for on small screen to reserve space, but critically offset LG1 and call LG1 on large screen to position the logo correctly. relative to the search bar using Bootstrap column offset. That's line. This is the main search component block on a small screen. It takes the full width, stacking neatly. On large screen, it occupies a dominant 6-column space next to the logo that input types. This code creates the input group, a textbox for the search query and the category dropdown. The use of form control and form select provides consistent bootstrap styling. The dropdown allows users to instantly filter their search, improving relevance. The primary search button here on a small screen expand the width for easy tapping. The dgrid utility class makes the button fill the available column space entirely, a great technique. High visibility actions. This is the container for our product carousel. The key classes here are for responsiveness. That D none means it is hidden by default on mobile. Only on large screens does it appear, allowing mobile users to bypass large image heavy elements and get straight to the products, thus boosting load performance. The carousel component itself uses Bootstrap class and JavaScript attributes to enable automatic sliding. We have offset. It is to center the visual appeal on the page. This section defines a product category header. The main title is mobile phones, is large and bold, followed by a secondary that see all link. This creates a clear visual break before product listing. Finally, the product card. This is the structure for individual items. The column classes here are crucial. That col 6 means that on small screen the card takes up the half the width, displaying 2 products per row. On large screens, collage 2 means we show up to 6 products in a single row efficiently using desktop screen space. The rest of the card defines the image and title, price, and the essential button like the add to cart icon to facilitate the customer's buying journey. Completing our modular structure is the footer.php file. The footer is far more than just a copyright notice. It is a vital navigational and information hub. Just with the header including this file using PHP include footer.php ensure a consistent corporate look and feel across the entire eShop website. The design here uses a contrasting background that use BG black bootstrap color for visual separation from the main page content, making it instantly recognizable. It is built with Bootstrap grid system using columns to separate logical sections. That's on. Company information. This is display the eShop brand title and a brief mission statement clearly communicating our purpose to the customer. And that line, a simple centered copyright notice ensuring legal clarity. That's part. We will use this section use bootstrap icon within an unordered list to provide direct links to our social channels. The list inline item class is used to make the icon display horizontally and fit in neatly and neatly into the grid. Finally, crucial columns provides clear and easily accessible contact details, address, email, and phone numbers, all verified with appropriate icons. This builds trust with our users. While leveraging Bootstrap utility classes and PHP include, we have created a complete e-commerce homepage that is scalable, responsive, and adheres to modern development standards. Thank you for your time and attention, and we will meet in next video.